These beings said that man was the product of externally corrected evolution. They said that man, as a species, had been genetically altered 65 times. They refer to humans as containers, yet I don't know what we're containers of.
It's possible that these creatures are not humanoid at all. They just use our bodies, erase from the brain all knowledge, wipe it clean and reprogram it with, or transmit to it their own thought patterns, their own intelligence.
But why?
That I don't know. It could be they aren't capable of traveling in space. The form of life they take, I can't begin to imagine. They may have no physical being at all, and therefore need a vehicle, a container, our bodies.
In 1952, Dr. Chang took a number of fertilized eggs from the womb of a rabbit and carried them to England. There, the eggs were implanted in the womb of another rabbit, where they came to term. The offspring, in turn, became pregnant. Their fertilized eggs were then taken from England and implanted in the Worcester rabbits. The Worcester colony is now composed of the descendants of that first embryo implantation.
Some just like this, then put into the test tube. So I put those rabbit's egg into those tubes and put into a flask and bring back, then transplant those.
By reaching into the heart of the cell, scientists are challenging our traditional concepts of life and morality. Yet, faced with the threat of extinction, a species capable of finding its salvation in an advanced biotechnology would surely seize the opportunity.
I think it's possible to transport human eggs from one planet to another planet.
Our own biotechnology has made of the rabbit a container in which entire herds of cattle, flocks of sheep, and other animals are shipped around the world. At the Wayne State Medical Center in Detroit, Dr. E.S.E. Hoffes has just received a rabbit from South America. It carries embryonic additions to his colony of research monkeys.
Victor uses the term vessels to refer to the aliens' conception of the body as a disposable vehicle for the soul. The UFO cult known as Heaven's Gate used the term containers in a similar context. The mass suicide of the Heaven's Gate cultists illustrates the dark side of accepting such ideas at face value.